keeps going. Ben is a small boy who lives in a quiet village with his mother. His house is small, but full of love. His mother works in the market, selling fruit. They do not have much money, but they are always kind to others. Ben is a good boy. He helps his mother clean the house. He helps carry water from the well. He never complains. He is happy with simple things. But at school, Ben feels different. He is slower than the other boys. He cannot run fast. He cannot jump high. He cannot play football well. Some children laugh at him. Ben is slow, they say. He is always last. Ben feels sad when they say that. He does not fight or get angry. He just looks down and stays quiet. But deep inside, his heart feels small and broken. At home, his mother sees that he is sad. Ben, she says softly, why do you look so quiet today? Mother, Ben says, the other boys call me slow. I can't run fast like them. His mother puts her hand on his shoulder. Ben, you have something special. You have a big heart. It is not about how fast you run. It is about how strong your heart is. The heart that keeps going, even when it's hard, is the strongest heart of all. Ben looks at her. But what if I lose every time? She smiles. Then you still win. Because you don't stop. And that is what makes you strong. Ben holds her words close to his heart. One day at school, the teacher makes a big announcement. Next month, we will have a big sports day. There will be running races, games, and fun. Every child will join. All the children are excited. They cheer and clap. Ben feels nervous. You must all join the race, the teacher says. It's for everyone. Ben wants to say no, but he remembers what his mother said. The heart that keeps going is the strongest of all. That night, Ben tells his mother, there's a race next month, he says quietly. And will you join? She asks. Ben nods. I'm scared, but I want to try. His mother hugs him. I'm proud of you. The next morning, Ben wakes up early. The sun is still rising. He puts on his old shoes and walks to the dirt road behind his house. He takes a deep breath and starts to run. He runs slowly. His legs hurt. His chest feels tight. But he does not stop. Every day, he runs a little more. Some days are hot. Some days are windy. One day it rains hard. But Ben still runs. People in the village start to notice. Why is that boy running every day? They ask. He is training for the race, says an old woman. But he's slow, says a man. Yes, says the old woman. But he never stops. The day finally comes. The sun is bright. The school is full of parents and children. There are balloons and flags. Music plays. It is a happy day. All the children wear clean clothes and good shoes. Ben wears his simple shirt and his old shoes. The children line up at the starting line. Jack, the fastest boy in school, stands beside Ben. You! Jack laughs. Why do you even try? Ben says nothing. He just smiles. Ready. Set. Go! The teacher shouts. The race begins. The fast boys run like the wind. The crowd cheers. Ben runs too, slow, but steady. Step by step. Breath by breath. Some boys run too fast and get tired. One boy falls. Another boy gives up. But Ben keeps running. His legs hurt. His breath is heavy. His shoes are dusty. But his heart is full. He hears someone shout. Go, Ben! You can do it! He looks and sees his mother waving. Her smile gives him strength. He keeps running. The finish line is near. The crowd is loud. Ben pushes forward. His feet hurt. His face is red. But he does not stop. Step by step, closer and closer. And finally, he crosses the line. He is not first. He is not last. He is somewhere in the middle. But everyone stands and claps. Ben! 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 They cheer. Jack looks at him, surprised. I didn't think you would finish. Ben smiles and says, I said I would try. The teacher gives him a small medal. This is not a medal for speed, she says. This is a medal for heart. Ben holds the medal. He looks at his mother. She has tears in her eyes. She hugs him and says, You didn't win the race, but you won something greater. You won respect. You won belief. You showed them what it means to keep going.